Hi, my name is Arthur, and I want to share with you my feelings about the law firm Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon. My accident occurred when I was driving to my medical office, and a young man apparently didn't see me and plowed directly into me. My car was totaled. The airbags went off, and I had sequelae from that trauma. We, meaning my daughters and myself, used Gary Salomon as our main attorney, along with Adam Letterman, because we heard that they were a very caring, very accomplished law firm and would handle our case with, quote, kid gloves to make sure that we were represented appropriately. I feel the firm not only went beyond the normality, they were exceptionally nice, they were kind. Adam was particularly responsive. He called me and spoke to me and gave me more insight into my injuries that helped me get through a very trying time. They're attentive, they're talented, they're very, very understanding of your injury, as well as the ability of them to litigate and do the best for you. I got through a very difficult time in my life. I am happy